Welcome back to my channel. Just going past the old Bankstown tape once again. There's a little bit more signage around the place, so whether that means it's close to start being redeveloped or not, we're not sure. A little bit further down when we go to the old Bankstown tape car park, there's quite a significant number of signage on the fence. The signage is basically just saying zoning off the area to New South Wales Government Health, which is basically says state-of-the-art healthcare facilities for our diverse and growing community. newsouthwales.gov.au/Bankstown Hospital. As I said last time, the car park is now officially closed, completely locked up. Since the last video, all this signage has been placed on the fences. It does say now under construction, but so you can if you have a look inside, if you're able to see inside, nothing's happening. So I think they're jumping ahead of schedule a bit by saying under construction. Last I knew that it was still under proposal. Signage also goes down what's the street? French's Avenue. And they're in the corner of Chapel Road and French's Avenue. And just go opposite to Little Saigon. And the cameraman, you can see the signage all goes all the way down here. There's only one specific area of the car park still open. Can you see there? That section of the car park is still open because that building there is still a childcare centre. It's actually the Bankstown, New South Wales TAFE childcare centre, which is also earmarked for redevelopment. So that is going to be a part of the development side as well. So the car park on the side is for the staff car parking on the childcare centre. So I do hope you all stay tuned and keep watching my videos for any updates. I do have a ton of videos as well, but since I live in Bankstown, I try to keep everyone updated on the progress. Alright, don't forget to like, share and comment. And subscribe would be appreciated as well.